Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, I have brought long answer type questions for high school UP board. Today we shall take up the first chapter, Enchanted Pool, written by Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. Dear guys, question 1. Who was Yaksh? What questions did he ask Yudhishthir? This question was asked in 2011 UP board exam. Or why had Yam taken the form of a Yaksh? This was asked in 2015. Dear guys, its answer. Yaksh was Yam, the god of death. He had taken the form of Yaksh to see and test Yudhishthir. He asked Yudhishthir many questions. Some of them are given below. First, what rescues the man in danger? Second, by the study of which science does man become wise? Third, what is swifter than the wind? Fourth, what is more faded than a dried straw? Fifth, what befriends a traveler? Sixth, who is the friend of one who stays at home? Seventh, who accompanies a man in death? Eighth, which is the biggest vessel? Ninth, what is happiness? 10th, what makes one a real Brahman? And so on. Dear guys, now question 2. What happened to all of the brothers of Yudhishthir? Its answer. Yudhishthir was the eldest of 5 brothers. They all were living in exile. One day they felt overpowering thirst. So they started in search of water. They had to pass through a forest full of bear, deer and wild birds. Ultimately, they reached a pool of water. They wanted to drink the water. At once a voice without body warned. To answer his questions. Without answering his questions, they could not drink water. But they did not pay any attention to his words and wanted to drink water. So he killed them and they were lying dead near the pool. Dear guys, now question 3. What did Yudhishthir want? Why did Yudhishthir want Madri's son Nakul to be revived in preference to his other brothers? Dear guys, this question was asked in 2012. Or, what qualities of Yudhishthir pleased the Yaksh most? What did he do then? Dear guys, this question was asked in 2013, 16 and 17. Or, how did the Yaksh reward Yudhishthir? Give reasons for rewarding him. This was asked in 2014, 15, 16 and 17. Or, why did Yudhishthir ask for Nakul's life? This was asked in 2017. Dear guys, इन सभी के आंसर आप एक ही प्रकार से लिखेंगे. So we would start its answer. In search of his brothers, Yudhishthir reached the same pool. When he wanted to drink water, he also heard the same warning. His brothers were lying dead near the pool, but Yudhishthir answered all the questions of Yaksh. Yaksh was pleased by his answers, so he became ready to revive one of his brothers of his choice. Yudhishthir chose Nakul, the son of Madri, because he, the son of Kunti, was alive. So Kunti was not completely bereaved. In order to keep the scales of justice even, he wanted to revive Madri's son Nakul. Thus, Yudhishthir's impartiality pleased the Yaksh most, so the Yaksh rewarded him by reviving all his dead brothers. Dear guys, now question 4. Give a character sketch of Yudhishthir. This was asked in 2014 and 18 in UP board exam. Answer. First heading, eldest brother. Yudhishthir was the eldest of all Pandavas. They were 5 in all. They had been living in exile. Second heading, a loving brother. Yudhishthir loved his brothers most. When he saw them lying dead, he could not bear their separation. He cried loudly and mourned. Third, brave and intelligent. Yudhishthir was brave to face any situation. He was very intelligent also. He answered all questions asked by Yaksh satisfactorily. Fourth heading, lover of justice. Yudhishthir loved justice very much. He, Kunti's son, was alive, but Madri's son was dead. So he chose Nakul to be revived so that the scales of justice should be even. Dear guys, question 5. What makes one a real Brahman? Birth, learning, or good conduct? This question was asked in 2013, 2016 and 2017. Or, what qualities make a real Brahman? Dear guys, its answer. Birth and learning do not make one a Brahman. Good conduct alone does. However learned a person may be, he will not be a Brahman without giving up his bad habits. Even though he may be learned in 4 Vedas, a man of bad conduct falls to a lower class. Dear guys, it was all for today. In the next video lecture, I shall upload short answer type questions. Hope you must have liked it. Watch it again and again from top to toe. Thanks for watching. Bye.